Mastering operational excellence. Regulatory hell awaits those who fail to rigorously balance operational excellence with compliance. Why is it essential for us to establish a rigorous system of checks and balances to guarantee that our operational excellence initiatives consistently meet or exceed regulatory requirements, thereby mitigating the risk of non-compliance? Establishing a rigorous system of checks and balances is crucial to ensure that operational excellence initiatives consistently meet or exceed regulatory requirements, thereby mitigating the risk of non-compliance. This is essential for several reasons. First and foremost, regulatory non-compliance can lead to severe consequences, including legal penalties, fines, and damage to the organization's reputation. In extreme cases, non-compliance can result in shutdowns, recalls, or even criminal prosecution. A robust system of checks and balances helps to identify and mitigate risks, thereby preventing or minimizing the likelihood of non-compliance. A rigorous system of checks and balances also fosters a culture of accountability within the organization. By defining clear roles, responsibilities, and expectations, individuals are held accountable for their actions, and a sense of ownership and responsibility is encouraged. This, in turn, promotes a proactive approach to risk management, where employees are empowered to identify and report potential risks, and take corrective action to mitigate them. Furthermore, a robust system of checks and balances provides a structured approach to identifying and addressing operational inefficiencies. By regularly monitoring and evaluating processes, organizations can identify areas for improvement, eliminate waste, and optimize resources. This leads to increased productivity, reduced costs, and improved quality, all of which are essential for achieving operational excellence. In addition, a rigorous system of checks and balances helps to ensure consistency and standardization across the organization. By establishing clear policies, procedures, and standards, organizations can ensure that all employees, regardless of location or function, are working towards the same goals and objectives. This consistency also helps to reduce errors, variability, and deviations, thereby improving overall performance. Another critical aspect of a rigorous system of checks and balances is its ability to facilitate continuous improvement. By regularly assessing and evaluating processes, organizations can identify opportunities for improvement and implement changes that drive growth and innovation. This culture of continuous improvement enables organizations to stay ahead of the competition, respond to changing market conditions, and achieve operational excellence. Implementing a rigorous system of checks and balances also helps to ensure that operational excellence initiatives are aligned with the organization's overall strategic objectives. By establishing clear goals, objectives, and key performance indicators, KPIs, organizations can ensure that all initiatives are focused on achieving specific outcomes, and that progress is regularly monitored and evaluated. A rigorous system of checks and balances also provides a framework for auditing and compliance. By establishing procedures for regular audits, organizations can ensure that regulatory requirements are being met, and that any deviations or non-conformities are identified and addressed promptly. This proactive approach to auditing and compliance helps to prevent or minimize the risk of non-compliance, and ensures that the organization is always prepared for external audits and assessments. Lastly, a rigorous system of checks and balances helps to promote transparency and trust within the organization. By establishing clear expectations and guidelines, organizations can ensure that all employees understand their roles and responsibilities, and that decision-making processes are transparent and accountable. This transparency also fosters a culture of trust, where employees feel empowered to report concerns, provide feedback, and contribute to the organization's success. In conclusion, establishing a rigorous system of checks and balances is essential for ensuring that operational excellence initiatives consistently meet or exceed regulatory requirements, thereby mitigating the risk of non-compliance. By implementing such a system, organizations can promote a culture of accountability,